Hi, now we are going to redesign this mountain shape. You can see that the mountain outline is here. We are going to use the manual design process with the pen tool. So stay tuned and watch what we do. First of all, let's start a point with the pen tool and take a straight or curved lines where it needed. After the handle is like this, just left click on the last point to remove that, and then just do it again. Same way you have to just work to get the design completed. Just go on and on. Okay, after that just click fill none, and now just adjust the lines. If you do want to understand better, just on a bright color from here. And just working as I mentioned, just make curved lines, straight lines, whatever needed. If we need to manage the handle, we can do it by the left click on the last point. And I think if you see this in a zoom view, you can see that there is a straight line. Just click left on the last point and then just draw straight lines where it is, and then again the curved lines, and now again a curved line and a small straight line with a left click on the last point. And now you can see this is the manual outline of the mountain we did. So you can see the read image trace of this mountain. Hopefully you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any question about this process, just comment me below. Thank you so much.